Welcome to my new video, guys. Today we are going to see how we can install Oracle 11g in our Windows 10 and 11 operating system. So let's started. As you can see, I already downloaded the zip file of Oracle 11g. I will provide the download link of this file in description below. So don't worry about that. After downloading this file, just extract it. Now open the extracted folder. Click on Disk Folder and click on Setup File. As you can see, the installation was started. Please wait until it's done. It will take some time to complete. When it is complete, then all you have to do is click on the Next button. Accept the agreement and continue by clicking on Next. After that, select the installation location. In my case, it was default. Now you need to choose a password that you can remember. After putting the password, click on Next. Again, click on Next. Now just wait until it's finished. Now, as you can see, the installation was complete. Now click on Finish. Now just click on Get Started with Oracle. And you will see an error. Now it's time to fix that error. Now just go to this PC and click on C Drive. Click on Oracle EXE folder. Now click on App, then Oracle, then Product folder. After that, click on 11 folder, then Server. Move little bit down, then right-click on Get Started shortcut. Now click on Properties. Here just remove everything that was covered with %sign and type 8080. After that, click on Apply. Now try again to open Get Started with Oracle. And that time it works. Now, click on Application Express. Now put username SYS and password as you give earlier. Now click on Login. Now it's time to create an account. Put any username as you want. In my case, that was Code with Soul. Also add a password for security purpose. After adding password, just click on Create Workspace. And your account was created. Now open Windows Search and search for Run SQL on command line. And open it. As you can see here, you can run SQL query. But before that, you just need to write connect space your username. Then hit on Enter. After that, give your account password. As you can see, we are now connected with Oracle database. Now we are ready to run SQL. Also, you can log in with Oracle graphical interface. Just click on Login button here and you can log in with your user ID and password. Now just click on SQL Workshop, then click on SQL command where you can also write SQL query. That is it for today, guys. Hope this was helpful. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, also share this video and subscribe the channel.